back to my channel and welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wooden lantern with this refreshing and romantic candle arrangement. Believe me, when I turn it on at night on my dining table, it simply makes every dinner a romantic candlelight dinner. Well, not just that, but it can also be used as a wedding table centerpiece. Surprisingly, it is only made up of my earring scales and nothing else. Amazed, right? I wanted to give it a rough look, so I didn't bother to sand it, but if you want to give a very clean look, make sure to sand all the edges before you connect. I'm going to set it on my dining table when I will reveal my dining set makeover. Right now, for the sake of this video, it is placed on my vanity desk and I am planning to share the desk makeover sometime next week. With that has been said, let's move on to the tutorial. So I started off by taking 22 scales of 12 inches just to be safe. I got 10 in $1. Now you do the math. I got all of them into halves, means 6 inches, except only 8. For now, I put the 6 inches ones aside. Then take 2 out of the 12 inches one and join them with wood glue, making a 90-degree angle by putting the glue on the edges exactly like this. I'm trying to explain everything very clearly to make it super easy for you. This is how I joined 2 angles with the 2 half pieces. I made 2 sets of these. It is just a wood stain, nothing else. Join it again, and here are the 2 pieces. Then I just went ahead and joined them again with another half piece, means 6-inch piece. Then I took 3 scales, cut them in half, so it means 6 half pieces, joined them together making a plate. While it was drying, I went ahead very impatiently and joined the last portion too. Again, 2 6-inch pieces and the final brick to the structure. Yeah, this is how it looks. Then I took black color, acrylic paint all the 2 plates black, all the structure black, and it is already coming together. I fixed the bottom plate and just roughly showing you how to fix the upper plate. And this is where you are supposed to sand the edges. I made a little block. It's supposed to be a holder. I cut 1 scale into 4 to 5 2-inch pieces. 2-inch pieces. 4 I used to make the boundary and 1 I put over the top. Then placed a heavy item to make it fixed. Then a light coat of polyurethane to stop the paint from chipping off, and very simply, super elegantly, this is how it turned out. It is such an awesome piece. It is so simple, extremely cheap, and you can see by yourself, it is awesome. I am speechless. It is awesome, simply beautiful, so romantic. If you like the content, make sure to like and subscribe. It will help me a lot. Thanks.